Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to our Wednesday, February 10th, 2021 COVID update. Myself, Andre Matus, the Tribal Emergency Manager, Dr. Renteria from our Health Services Division, and Mr. Mavis from our IT Department will all be giving you some very important information. I'm going to start off with the statistics from Tucson area and Guadalupe. So for the Tucson area, report date February 9th, 2021. Confirmed positive cases from all sources in the Tucson area is 1,733. Confirmed deaths is 34. And from the Pasco Yaqui Tribal Health Services Division, testing completed between March 23rd, 2020 up through February 9th, 2021. We've had negative results of 9,946, with positive results of 714. And positive since last reporting date has been 9. Recovered cases is 982. For the Guadalupe area, reporting date of February 10th, 2021. From all sources up in the Guadalupe area, we have 1,624 positive cases. Confirmed deaths is 29. And then from the Pasco Yaqui Tribal Health Services Division, testing completed May 11th, 2020 through February 6th, 2021. Positive results of 345 and unknown number on recovered cases. Thank you.
Buenas tardes, good afternoon. Thanks for tuning in. So I want to give some information on our next vaccination drive-through, which will be tomorrow, February 11th. Again, at the Casino del Sol Ava East parking lot from 10 to 3 in the afternoon. We are still getting a limited number of vaccines from Indian Health Services. So for this Thursday, tomorrow, we're going to vaccinate the first 350 enrolled tribal members in the following category. Any enrolled tribal member in the Tucson community that is 18 years old and above with a chronic medical condition. Bring your medicine bottle to show that you have that medical condition. Again, this is for enrolled tribal members in the Tucson community on and off the reservation. If you do not meet this category, please wait for our public announcement next week to know who will be vaccinated. So again, 18-year-old and above, chronic condition, bring your medicine bottle, first 350 from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow at the East parking lot behind the Ava Amphitheater at Casino del Sol.
Thanks, sir. Okay, Mr. Mavis.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you again for the opportunity to be here today. I'm here to talk about the wireless internet system that's being implemented and installed on the reservation. We are finalizing the installation of the system. We are probably 2 to 3 weeks away from completing the whole project. However, there is still time to sign up. If you received the flyers, or there's a telephone number you can reach or a website you can sign up at. The number is 833-364-0593. One thing I want to remind, because this question has come up, this is free for the whole rest of the year. There's no cost to you. There's free 24/7, 365 support for the system for the whole year. That has been taken care of. And one thing I also want to clear up is this is a tribally owned internet system. This is not a third party, a second party we contracted with. This system is tribally owned, tribally managed, everything. So this is ours. This is yours, actually, to be correct. So please don't hesitate. If you need internet, want internet, even if you have internet, sign up for it if you don't have it. If you do have internet and you have not powered up the modems that came with it, please plug them in and power them up. This is very important for the contractor who we asked to install this for us, to align the antennas to make sure that there is the best connection you can get. And the only way they can find it out is by you powering up the modem. So please plug them in, and you would have received one or both of these. This is how to connect. It goes step by step on what you need to do to connect once you plug it in. It's very straightforward. Or they would have left this at your home. They stopped by to align the antenna, but there was no one at home, so they're asking me to plug in the modems and to power them up. And they will get back to you really quick. Their goal is to get finished within the next couple of weeks. I also want to take this opportunity to talk about the whole system, and because questions have come up through the whole installation. The typical installation time frame for this type of system is about 9 months. And it's a step-by-step process of designing it, obtaining the permits, and installing the towers and all the equipment that goes with the towers, the generators, the equipment, security, etc. And then they install in the homes after the system's installed. However, because the CARES funding, and this is being paid by CARES funds, the COVID funding, there was a deadline, and the deadline was December 31st of this past year. So we had to run these steps next to each other. So installing the homes while installing the towers, obtaining the permits. So that's why we have to go back to the homes to realign the antennas to make sure that we are getting the best connectivity. Otherwise, it would have been a one-step process. Install, align to the best signal, and then they would have left. But because of that, it required revisiting your homes, and that was because of the urgency. So we appreciate your patience on this. We really want you to take advantage of this. It is a really good system. And again, it is owned by the tribe. It is owned by you. It's for you, and there's no cost. So please power the modems or sign up by calling the numbers that's on the flyers. And that is my update. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mavis. Appreciate that. Okay, folks, I have a few more announcements for you guys. Be on the lookout soon. There will be a community notice will be coming out from the cultural leaders in reference to Cuaresma. So please be on the lookout. It'll be coming out soon. Another announcement: the tribe's PY Cares Welfare Assistance Program is still accepting applications up to December 30th, 2021. The process is still online. Apply through our COVID website. So if there was any impact to you or your family from COVID, please look into this for some tribal assistance. Next announcement, we still have COVID-19 testing available at the Garcia Auditorium Monday through Friday, 9 to 11:30, then a lunch break from 11:30 till 1, and then 1 to 4:30 p.m. And then please, again, visit our covid19.pascoyashi-nsn.gov website to schedule your appointment. Like I've said in the past, things go very smoothly and you get through real quickly because they have pre-scheduled appointments now. One more reminder, if you're not receiving our text messaging, mass messaging information, please text PY Tribe to 888-777. I'll say that one more time. Please text PY Tribe to 888-777, and you can receive all this information, or you can visit the covid19.pascoyaki-nsn.gov website as well. And once again, we just like to remind everybody, please, even as we start to give out the vaccine, don't forget to still wear your mask, social distance, and disinfect appropriately, and that all tribal ordinances are still in effect, no large gatherings, things like that. We still need to be cognizant of the fact that just because we get our vaccines doesn't mean we can relax and not take these safety measures. We still need to continue with all these safety measures. So once again, thank you for tuning in with us. We appreciate your time. Bye-bye.